Welcome to this guided meditation for Crown Chakra healing. May you find yourself a comfortable position where your body can truly relax. Once you're settled in, gently close your eyes. Allow yourself to feel the surface beneath you. It's solid and stable, providing support for your physical form. Whether it's the soft cushion of a chair or the firmness of the floor, focus on that sensation of support. Feel its steadiness and allow that feeling of stability to flow up into your body, grounding you, making you feel secure and safe. Now it's time to bring your attention to your breath. Notice how it flows in and out, a steady rhythm that has accompanied you from the moment you were born. You don't have to change it. Simply observe. Notice the coolness of the air as it enters your nostrils and the warmth as you exhale. Take a deep, slow breath in, filling your lungs fully. Visualize the air entering your body, bringing with it life-giving oxygen. Hold that breath for a moment, allowing it to reach every part of you. And then release it gently, slowly. As you do, let out any tension you've been holding on to. Picture it leaving your body with the breath, expelled out and away from you. Breathe in again. This time, imagine peace and calmness flowing into you with the air. As you breathe out, visualize any remaining stress or worries leaving your body. With every cycle of breath, feel yourself becoming more relaxed, more at peace. You're in this moment, fully present, with each breath grounding you further into tranquility. You might notice the rhythm of your breath, the rise and fall of your chest, the feeling of the air filling you and then leaving you. Allow your muscles to go soft. Release any tension in your shoulders, your jaw, your eyes. You are here in this moment, perfectly peaceful, perfectly calm. Now that your body and mind are calm and relaxed, it's time to shift your attention upwards to the top of your head. This is where your crown chakra resides. It's a shining light glowing softly. This chakra is not a physical location, but rather a spiritual one, connecting you with the universal consciousness. Imagine this chakra as a beautiful violet light. It's gentle and soothing, a spiritual light that illuminates your connection to the universe and your highest self. Allow your awareness to focus on this light. Watch as it grows brighter and more vibrant with each breath you take. Every inhalation feeds this light, making it shine more vividly, and each exhalation spreads its serene energy through your body. The crown chakra is your spiritual gateway, your link to higher consciousness. It represents wisdom, enlightenment, and a connection to the divine. It is not detached from you, but a part of your essence, just as integral as your breath, your heartbeat, your thoughts. Imagine this violet light, your crown chakra, growing with every breath you draw in. As you exhale, see the light shining brighter, illuminating your spiritual path. As you breathe in and out, let your consciousness sync with the rhythm of this glowing chakra. This energy is peace and harmony, flowing freely from your crown chakra, aligning it, balancing it. As you concentrate on this energy, you might feel a sense of openness, a gentle expansion at the top of your head. This is your crown chakra balancing, tuning itself to the rhythm of the universe. Continue to focus on your crown chakra, the gentle violet light, for a few more breaths. Allow the energy to balance, to align, to synchronize with the rhythm of your breath. With each breath, feel your connection to the universe strengthening, your spiritual understanding deepening. As you breathe in, imagine this connection strengthening. As you breathe out, feel your body filled with peace and harmony, your crown chakra glowing brightly, aligning you with your highest potential. The journey to balance your crown chakra is a journey inward and upward towards your highest self, towards a divine connection that has always been part of you, waiting for you to acknowledge, nurture, and harness it. As you focus on this glowing light, let it guide you and bring you closer to your ultimate spiritual awakening. Now, gently bring your focus back to your breath, back to the rhythm of the in-breath and the out-breath. Feel the surface beneath you once more, grounding you in the present. Slowly start to move your fingers and your toes. When you're ready, open your eyes gently. Bring the energy of your balanced crown chakra into your day, remembering the sense of peace and alignment. Thank you for giving yourself this time for self-care and balance. You have nurtured your connection with your highest self, and you carry this serenity with you.